Hey everyone, what's going on? Joey Contino here, and we're currently live outside of Morey's Piers for their closing weekend. That's right, this weekend, Columbus Day weekend, this is the last weekend to experience Morey's Piers and their Oktoberfest. After this weekend, that's it, folks. We'll see you in 2025. Hi, how are you? And so I figured we'll give you guys a quick tour here online. We're going to start in the very, very front. The funny thing is that years ago, it used to be a fall fest, and they still have a lot of that, but of course it's now geared towards Oktoberfest. And they've got everything under the sun, Oktoberfest, from beer to treats to toys to even bands. And so we're going to take a quick little tour. We're going to walk in and pass by the Oktoberfest Siegel, enjoying a good beer, not spelled the normal way, spelled the German way. I think it's B-E-I-E-R, or E-R, whatever. My brain is not working today. And the piers are very busy. I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys everything that's going on. We've got Oktoberfest seagulls with pretzels in their mouth. A lot of beer you can see over here. They've got multiple beer, I guess I would say centers, but areas to grab some beer.
That was the one.
Got a lot of games going on.
The octopus coming out right there for the winner. Another winner, another happy prize.
And yes, it is such a beautiful day out today. High of 77. Oh my God, my brain is not working. For those who don't know, I just got back to Wildwood after being away for the past 3 weeks out of the country. So my brain is still not working, but you can see a lot of people on the rides. We're passing by the Grandparents' Pavilion on the left-hand side, all decorated for Oktoberfest. As you can hear, you got a lot of Oktoberfest music going on. And I filmed the whole video to kind of give you the final recap of the weekend, which will go on later on this week. This is just a live video. And it really is such a beautiful day. You got the kite flyer here in front of us. You've got the Moby Dick over here. Above us is the wave swinger and the giant wheel. I know a lot of people call it the Ferris wheel, but here it is called the giant wheel.
So right now you're getting a large prize. If you guys race again, you can trade up for any prize, any size.
Now with Oktoberfest, there's a lot of different stuff going on. Over here is the kids corner or the kids zone. They've got t-shirts and stuffed animals, and they do pumpkin painting, face painting. They do different kind of games. And there's a kids section for different foods, so they can get their own root beer and popcorn and pretzels and things like that. You can see some of the kits they have: the fall owl, scarecrow kit, pumpkin decorating, a craft combo, I guess, multiple things, and face painting. You see the pumpkins here and some examples of things that you can paint. Back here is where the adults hang out, because you've got 2 tents to hang out in with TVs to watch, well, was Phillies, but now the Eagles tomorrow. You've got a beer garden over here with different beers and treats, and you got a live band. Popcorn smells good though, folks. What an atmosphere, right? And there goes the sea serpent. Ah, there it is, right there. Hi, how are you? And they got many different beers, a lot of which I have no idea how to pronounce, but you've got Mudhens, Tonewood, and this other one. A lot of different kind of foods as well. From Bavarian pretzels, which you can see right here, man. Oh, that looks so good. But yeah, it's the last weekend for Morey's Piers. And it is packed because of how beautiful it is. So many memories are being made. We're gonna head this way for a second. See the band. This way, it's a little bit more quieter. Go back this way. You got the beer garden back here to get beer, so you got a couple places, about 4. We make our way down the other side. The pier was a little more quieter. Over here is quite more quieter, as you can tell. But you've got more games. I didn't see many of the seagulls left. These are the last 2 I've seen on the entire boardwalk, especially here at Morey's. You can come over here. Hey, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you, man. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good, nice to meet you, man. I'm live right now. Want to say hi?
Yeah. Hey.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Passing by the Sea Serpent. One of the best shots you can get of the Sea Serpent as it flips over. We can wait a little bit. Did you want a photo real quick? Sure. Oh, you gotta flip the camera around.
Here we go.
Nice meeting you, man.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you.
This side's a little more quieter. Here's the original mascot of Morey's Oktoberfest, Beer on the Pier. He's still around, hanging out. Some rides are not open today, such as this one and Ghost Ship and Crazy Bus. I'm actually wondering if they're going to replace the Crazy Bus just because, well, we've seen hints of some stuff coming in the future. Got the teacups. And I'll have a more official tour for you later on this week. But oh, look at this view, right? It is such a beautiful day out, guys. I'm so sorry if you can't make it down for this. Gonna head back to the front of the pier. But before we do, I gotta give you one more good shot looking down the boards. Give me a second. You got the famous shot here at the Ferris wheel, the wave swinger, and the great, oh wait, you hear me? The giant wheel going at the same time. So I say great white on my head because I'm looking at the great white. There's construction going on over there. So this is the world famous shot. But we'll make our way back to the front of the pier. And guys, here's the thing, I'll tell you this. If you come to Oktoberfest, make sure you dress up a little bit. I mean, I still wear my October hat Oktoberfest hat, and I have the suspenders at home and a few other things. I was gonna wear all that, but the other one's kind of long sleeves, and I was like, it's too beautiful out to have to do that, and so I had to put the hat on. But we're making our way to the front. There's a lot of treats and things that you can only get, especially if you head over to Founders that way, which right now there is no band, but they usually have the band going around. They should be coming out soon, actually. I did get them for our other video we filmed. But the curly fries smell really good. But hi, how you guys doing? And over here is where they have all the treats. Oh, there's more Eagle Seagulls right here. Someone asked me, did I see many? Yes, they are here. You can smell the curly fries. And here is the beautiful sun. Such a gorgeous day to end a beautiful summer here at Morey's Piers. But I hope you guys are staying safe and sound. I hope you did have a great summer here. It's sad because I got my season pass for the last time, and I still have my tradition, which is you leave your season pass on, or at least your wristband, until it falls off. Or at least I did as a kid, my mother used to cut it off, and then as an adult, my wife cuts it off when I'm sleeping. That's not fun, right? No, I'm joking. In all fairness, I hope you guys are staying safe and sound. And there's still so many fun activities taking place down here in the Wildwoods in the off season, even though the piers are closed. So hopefully I'll see you guys for some Halloween stuff, some fall stuff, some Christmas stuff, New Year's stuff. Then we'll see you again when everything starts coming back to life in the springtime. Anyway, stay safe, everyone, and enjoy the last few seconds here. I will